Hey guys, it's Jess here at the Marythorpe Public Library, and today we're going to be showing you how to make some Christmas pop-up cards. So we're going to do 3 different kind. Here is the Christmas tree. Then I have presents stacked. And then the last is some snowmen. Okay, so let's get started with what you'll need. First, you're going to need some construction paper. You're going to need some scissors, glue, markers, and a pencil. And then if you have anything left, like some extra, I have this confetti that I got from the dollar store, which was just $2, so I'm going to use that. And I have some leftover wrapping paper that I'm going to use for the presents. And if you have anything else laying around the house from crafting, you can use that too. Okay, so let's get started. So first we want to take a blue piece of paper, any color that you want, and we want to fold it in half. So that's our outside of the card, and this is our inside of the card. Then we want to take a piece of white paper for the snowman, and we want to fold it along the long way. Then we're going to cut along here with scissors, or just rip it. Then we're going to fold this one time. Okay, so once you have that, you're going to draw your shape out, and like I said, you could do Christmas trees like this, or you could do gingerbread men, anything you want, but we are going to do snowmen. All you do is you have to make sure that on your folded side, you have something that connects. You need to keep touching on the side so they all stay together. So you're going to want to cut those out. And when you cut them out, you should get something that looks like that. And then if you have extra ribbon, or if you have some stickers that you want to make the faces with, that's fine. I just drew mine on. So I drew them on, and then I colored them in, and I got something that looked like this. So then all you have to do is make some, I wanted to make like a snow hill. So I took the extra side that I had and I cut some out. So then we just tape that or glue that down. Then you're going to get your snowmen. Now I would say put them about halfway. So we're going to glue . Oh, I didn't glue the Easy Fix. So you get your snowmen like that. You probably could have spread them out a little bit further. And then I I just added some snowflakes because they're outside. Again, if you don't have snowflakes, that's fine. If you guys need kits, you can just get a hold of the library and we can set up a time for you to pick them up so you can get some supplies. You could add more, you could add some sticks for arms if you wanted. So you don't want to close your card when you have so much glue out. You could write here, Merry Christmas, or a snowman pun, and then you could decorate the front too. So if this kind, like I said, you could do the gingerbread men, which I did here. And then I cut out some, I just drew some lines on a piece of paper with the red, and then I cut out the candy cane shapes. And I had to paint the white on the gingerbread men because I didn't have white marker. But yeah, so you can do lots and lots of different ideas. Thanks for joining us. Next week we'll be making some popsicle sleds that you can use to decorate your Christmas tree or a present, or you can give them as a gift. So if you need any of the supplies, please contact the library and we will get you a supply kit. So thanks for watching and we'll see you soon. Bye!